Hey, what's up, you guys? Oh, okay. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Jonna, and hello, welcome. Today I decided that I would film a skincare routine for you guys because I actually have one now, and it actually works pretty well. I never really had a set skincare routine in the past until I started getting really frustrated with my skin when I went away to school. I was breaking out so much, and I was like, I should probably start having an actual routine because I'm fed up with having crappy skin, and it has really helped me a lot. And obviously drinking water and working out has helped me a ton too, but definitely not just doing those two things is gonna help your skin. You have to clean it, especially when you wear makeup like this. You have to be cleaning your face, and just throughout the day you get so much dirt and oil on your face that you need to wash it before you go to bed and all that fun stuff. I'm also not going to sit here and tell you guys that I used to have terrible skin and now I have perfect skin. I've never had really bad skin, but I did have a few problem areas. My forehead used to be really bad, and I break out on my chin and stuff, but other than that I've never had really bad cystic acne or anything. So I can't say that I had terrible skin and then this magically cleared up my skin. I get normal acne, and this helps make it not as bad as it used to be, I guess. I've never had terrible skin, but I've also never had perfect clear skin. So anyway, and also this is really affordable stuff. A lot of people on YouTube post stuff that's extremely expensive, and I'm I can't afford that, to buy that every couple months to keep my skin clear. I have 4 or 5 things here that I use, and they're all extremely cheap, all from the drugstore except for one thing, but it's also cheap, and it literally makes my face look so nice. So yeah, let's talk about the products I use and what order and what I do with them and everything. So I'm going to be I'm gonna be looking up the prices of everything on my grandma's iPad, their lovely Minion case. So yeah, I'm gonna have this down here, looking up prices for stuff. My neighbor's mowing the lawn, so don't mind that. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what my skin looks like in natural lighting, and this is it. So I try to wash my face twice a day, in the morning and at night. So when I come home from the gym, I'll hop in the shower and I clean my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel, and I absolutely love this stuff. I started using it in, this is empty as you can see, but I started using that in maybe October because I watched a video that Laura Lee put up for good skincare products for oily skin, and I was like, oh my god, yes. So I watched it, and this was one of the products. So I immediately ran to Walmart and bought it because I have extremely oily skin, and I was like, I hope this helps me. The first time I used it, obviously the first couple times I used it, I didn't see a difference in my skin. I did notice that oh, I have makeup on my hand, don't mind that. I did notice that it obviously wiped all the oil off my face, just made my skin literally glow, and it obviously gets rid of acne really well because I use that every day, and it keeps me from getting acne, I guess, because I rarely break out anymore. I will every once in a while if I'm not keeping up with my skincare routine, but if I am, then I literally don't break out and my skin looks so nice. But you can buy this at Target, Walmart, whatever, literally any drugstore, and you can get this at Walmart for $7.97, so $8, and you get 6 ounces. It's pretty big. This lasts me a while, and I usually use 4 or 5 pumps when I wash my face. in the shower, but it lasts me a while, and it's only $8, so like that's not even a bad price. So yeah, on to the next thing. So once I get out of the shower, I move on to the rest of my skincare routine. So I next take my Dickinsons Witch Hazel, and I put that on a cotton ball, and I just put it all over my face, and it's like a toner, and it kind of smells weird, I'm gonna be honest. I had to get used to the smell. It's like pretty disgusting, but it works really well, and like it literally, like obviously after I shower and stuff, like my face is pretty clean, so I just do it more for like as a routine. But that's really good to use if you're wearing makeup, and I use these Neutrogena wipes to get my makeup off, but obviously like wipes don't get everything off your face, especially if like you're using a really good foundation, like it's gonna get in there. So I like to use the toner after I use the makeup remover wipes, because that literally gets the rest of my makeup off. I'll wipe my face with the wipes, and then I'll wash my face with this cleanser, and then I use the Witch Hazel to get the rest of the stuff off. And there's usually always like still stuff on my face left over, so that's why it's good to go in with like 3 different things, just to make sure you're getting everything off your face. So yeah, I love this stuff. Like it's literally so good. Like I noticed when I started using it that my skin had cleared up so much, like all natural. I love this stuff. So let me look up how much that is. So you can also buy that at Target or Walmart, whatever. And at Walmart it retails for $4.68, so $5 basically. Not bad at all. You're getting so much. I've had this since October, and I'm not even running out of it yet. I just bought a new one because I'm like gonna run out of this soon, but I've had this for a very long time, and it's only $5. So after I use that, I go in with a moisturizer. So I used to use this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. It's a moisturizer, and it's not like, there's like literally nothing left in this, but it's not like lotiony, it's like a gel, if you can see that. And I like it so much because I hate like Cetaphil and stuff, like those moisturizers. I hate that because it's like, I hate how it feels on my skin, and I have oily skin, so it just like makes my skin look even more oily. I actually haven't been able to find it at Walmart or Target the past few times I've gone. I've been looking for it because obviously I ran out, and I can't find it anywhere. But if you can, it's like $15. But what I've been using instead, it's like literally the same exact thing, is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. It's oil free, like it's like the same type of consistency. It's not like a lotion, it's like a gel. So yeah, I use that as a moisturizer, and it makes my skin very hydrated, and my skin literally is glowing after I put that on. So yeah, and I think the Neutrogena one is a little bit more expensive, which is why I like the Garnier one so much. I don't know how to spell Neutrogena. Yeah, it is a little bit more expensive. It says it's $16.19, so almost $17 for this. But I do think you might get more product in this. No, they're both 1.7 ounces, so this is the better deal, but I can't find it anywhere, so I don't know. But yeah, they both work the same. This one's just cheaper. And then lastly, I use the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's like the pink one. It has aloe, herbs, and rose water in it. This is $7 at Ulta. I know that. This has lasted me a while, and I spritz a ton of it on my face when I'm done with like everything in my routine. It smells good, and it's just like a nice refresher, and I think it does help with my redness on my face, and it also just like leaves me like my skin glowing. And again, like, I'm gonna insert pictures of what my face looks like when I'm done doing my skincare routine, just so you guys can see the effects of it. And yeah, that's pretty much all I do. And then for my lips, because that's part of my face, I like to keep them moisturized. So I will either use, well, for the longest time I was using Aquaphor, like the little like chapstick thing of it, but I lost it, so I haven't been using that. So I've been using Vaseline, and this is absolutely amazing, and I'm sure this is extremely cheap at Walmart or Target, and I'm sure you guys have it in your house anyway, because like it's just like something people have in their houses. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do for my skincare routine. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it helped you guys a little bit. And if you have skin like me, you should definitely try these products out, because I am in love with them. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!